Anxiety can feel like a storm inside the body. Your chest tightens, your mind races, even rest feels out of reach. Natural supports are not cures and should never replace therapy or prescribe medication when these are necessary. But science shows that small natural allies can help shift this state. They are not magic pills. They are daily companions that teach your nervous system to breathe again. Combined with balanced meals, mindful pauses, and restorative sleep, they create a foundation where calm becomes possible. One of the most researched supports is magnesium, a mineral involved in more than 300 reactions in the body. Its greatest effect for anxiety is calming the nervous system by supporting GABA, the neurotransmitter that prevents overstimulation. Low levels are linked to restlessness and poor sleep, and restoring balance gradually improves both. Most adults benefit from 200 to 400 milligrams daily, often as glycinate or citrate, taken in the evening to prepare for rest. Over the course of weeks, sleep deepens, muscles release tension, and the nervous system no longer feels locked in overdrive. Once the body finds rest, the mind also needs nourishment. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, sardines, and algae oils, support emotional balance at the level of brain cells. They reduce inflammation, make membranes more flexible, and help thoughts flow with greater clarity. A consistent intake of 1 to 2 grams daily, taken with meals for better absorption, builds this effect over time. Within weeks, many people notice less irritability, steadier moods, and sharper focus, as if the mind itself has more space to breathe. Even with nourishment, daily stress will still appear. Ashwagandha, an ancient root from Ayurvedic medicine, helps regulate cortisol, the main stress hormone that drives irritability and fatigue. Modern studies confirm its ability to lower stress and improve resilience. A standardized extract between 300 and 600 milligrams daily, taken in the morning or evening depending on your rhythm, brings results within weeks. What changes is not the presence of stress, but how your body meets it with calm steadiness rather than constant reactivity. When night falls, many still struggle to switch off. Chamomile offers one of the gentlest and safest forms of relief. Its active compounds bind to brain receptors, quieting the racing mind and preparing the body for sleep. A cup of tea before bed, or a capsule of standardized extract in the range of 200 to 500 milligrams creates this calming effect. In the first weeks, tension lightens, and over time, nights become more restorative, proving that calm can be both soft and powerful. Calm is not only about sleep, it is also about clarity during demanding hours of the day. L-theanine, naturally present in green tea, promotes a state of relaxed focus without sedation. It settles racing thoughts while keeping the mind alert. 2 to 3 cups of high-quality tea or a supplement of 200 to 400 milligrams a day provide this effect. Within days, many notice clearer thinking, while long-term use improves concentration, reduces restlessness, and even supports easier sleep at night. Some plants are known for their scent, but in concentrated form, they bring a measurable shift to anxiety. Lavender extract, known clinically as Silexan, has been proven in multiple trials to reduce anxiety comparably to conventional medications, without sedation or risk of dependency. Capsules of 80 to 160 milligrams daily are most often used, and within weeks, many report fewer episodes of tension, greater mood stability, and better sleep. Lavender shows that something familiar can also be powerful when applied with precision. Energy and calm are inseparable, and when energy is unstable, irritability often rises. The family of B vitamins supports serotonin and dopamine production while keeping metabolism efficient, giving both mental clarity and emotional steadiness. A daily B complex in the morning with food ensures absorption and prevents fatigue. Within 1 or 2 weeks, energy becomes more reliable. Moods feel steadier, and the body responds to stress with greater resilience. The real shift happens when these supports are combined into a rhythm. Omega-3 and B vitamins in the morning give clarity and energy. Later in the day, ashwagandha and magnesium buffer accumulated stress. L-theanine keeps the afternoon clear and focused. Chamomile and lavender prepare the body for rest at night. Anchored to meals or evening rituals, this framework turns supplements from isolated tools into a lifestyle. Consistency, more than perfection, is what creates lasting change. Every body is different, and what works best depends on your personal anxiety profile. I created my quiz to help you discover yours in just 3 minutes. You will receive science-based insights into your patterns of anxiety and a next step tailored to your mind and body. Take my quiz now and see what calm could look like for you. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.